Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is a global provider of online trading services, offering access to a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and shares. With a reputation for transparency, reliability, and competitive pricing, Tickmill is dedicated to providing traders with the tools and support they need to succeed in the financial markets. Founded in 2014, Tickmill has grown rapidly, serving clients from over 200 countries and territories worldwide. The broker provides access to cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet their diverse needs and preferences. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader Web platforms, as well as the Tickmill mobile trading application. These platforms offer a seamless trading experience across multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets, allowing traders to stay connected and trade the markets anytime, anywhere. Tickmill offers a range of trading account types designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. Their accounts include the classic and raw account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are looking for tight spreads, low commissions, or additional trading features, Tickmill has an account type to suit their preferences. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources such as trading strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. These resources are designed to cater to various learning styles and levels of experience. From articles and videos to webinars and seminars, Tickmill's educational offerings are accessible and informative, helping traders navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Overall, Tickmill stands as a trusted global provider of online trading services, committed to delivering excellence, transparency, and reliability to traders worldwide. With a comprehensive range of market instruments, advanced trading platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources, Tickmill empowers traders to pursue their financial goals with confidence and success. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced professional, the broker offers the tools, support, and opportunities you need to thrive in the dynamic world of finance. At number 4 on our list is Moneta Markets. Moneta Markets is a global online trading broker built to give traders around the world fast, transparent access to the financial markets, with a focus on simplicity, execution speed, and client protection. With over 10 years of industry experience and tens of thousands of active client accounts, Moneta has grown into a recognizable name in the CFD and Forex space. The broker emphasizes easy account setups, competitive pricing, and support for traders of all levels, backed by 24/5 multilingual customer service. It positions itself as a broker that blends professional infrastructure with trader-focused features, aiming to give both newcomers and experienced traders a reliable environment to pursue their trading goals. The broker gives traders access to a diverse range of tradable instruments across global financial markets. With over 1,000 instruments available, clients can trade more than 45 Forex currency pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics. The broker also offers a wide selection of CFDs on global indices and commodities such as gold, oil, and other metals, as well as hundreds of share CFDs from major stock markets around the world. Traders can also access over 50 ETF CFDs for diversified exposure and bond CFDs for fixed income trading, plus cryptocurrency CFDs on popular digital assets all within a single account. Moneta Markets gives traders a versatile suite of trading platforms to match different styles and preferences. Traders can trade on the globally popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, both available on desktop, web, and mobile, offering powerful charting tools, automated trading with expert advisors, and a familiar interface that many traders already know and trust. Traders on the go can use the AppTrader mobile platform, which is a robust, all-in-one app with real-time insights, customizable watch lists, and more. Together, these platforms give you flexibility across devices and trading styles. Moneta Markets offers a range of live accounts designed to suit different kinds of traders and trading styles. The foundation is the direct STP account, which features straight-through processing with no commission, making it ideal for beginners and casual traders looking for simple, cost-effective access to the markets. For more active or professional traders, the broker provides prime ECN accounts with raw spreads and a per-trade commission, which benefits scalpers, algorithmic traders, and anyone who prefers tighter pricing and deeper liquidity. At the top tier is their Ultra ECN account, tailored for high-volume and institutional-style traders, offering even lower commissions and premium execution conditions, though it comes with a higher minimum deposit. Across all live accounts, traders can access features like high leverage, hedging, and swap-free options, plus the ability to trade multiple asset classes across all supported platforms. Moneta Markets also provides a solid educational offering designed to help traders build and improve their skills at different levels. At the heart of this is the Market Masters course, a structured video-based program featuring over 100 tutorials that cover key trading concepts like technical and fundamental analysis, market strategies, and more, though full access typically requires a funded live account. In addition to this flagship course, the broker offers platform tutorials that walk users through essential functions like placing orders and adding indicators, as well as daily market updates, research insights, and educational videos to help traders stay informed and sharpen their decision-making. Coming in at number 3, we have Vantage Markets. Vantage Markets, established in 2009, is a trusted global broker offering over 1,000 instruments. Traders can access the markets through a variety of trading platforms for a smooth trading experience. Vantage is known for its reliability and excellent customer support and provides localized services to meet traders' needs, alongside tailored services to make trading easier and more effective. The broker offers access to a wide range of instruments, catering to traders of all levels. Their offerings include Forex with major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, global indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, precious metals such as gold and silver, energy commodities like crude oil and natural gas, as well as soft commodities including coffee, sugar, and cotton. Traders can also access ETFs, share CFDs from major global companies, as well as government and corporate bonds. This extensive selection allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across global markets. Vantage Markets offers a variety of trading platforms to suit different trading styles. The Vantage application allows mobile access to over 1,000 markets, while the MetaTrader platforms provide advanced charting, technical tools, and automated trading. Pro Trader, powered by TradingView, offers customizable charts and analysis, and traders can also use copy trading or demo accounts to practice and replicate successful strategies. Each platform is designed to deliver a smooth and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types to suit traders of all levels. The Cent account is ideal for beginners with small deposits, while the standard STP account provides direct access to institutional spreads and fast execution. More experienced traders can choose the Raw ECN account for minimal spreads or the Pro ECN account for the fastest execution and full pricing transparency. Additionally, Vantage offers a swap-free account for traders who prefer to avoid overnight swap charges. Each account is designed to provide the features and tools needed for a flexible and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of free educational tools through the Vantage Academy, designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Beginners can start with structured online courses, covering the fundamentals of Forex, CFDs, and stock trading. For deeper insights, the Bloomberg ebook, Trading Places, provides expert guidance on navigating financial markets. Traders can also access webinars led by market analysts, offering real-time analysis and strategies. Additionally, educational videos, podcasts, and a glossary of trading terminology are available to enhance learning. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the dynamic world of trading. At number 2 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers, we have BlackBull Markets. BlackBull Markets is a multi-regulated, multi-asset brokerage firm headquartered in Auckland, New Zealand. Established in 2014, the company has grown to serve traders in over 180 countries, offering access to more than 26,000 tradable instruments, including Forex, equities, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Operating as a true electronic communication network broker, BlackBull Markets provides non-dealing desk execution, ensuring transparency and competitive pricing for its clients. BlackBull Markets offers a diverse suite of trading platforms designed to accommodate traders of all levels, providing access to a variety of tradable instruments across different asset classes. Their platforms include TradingView, CTrader, the MetaTrader platforms, BlackBull Invest, and BlackBull CopyTrader. These platforms support features like no minimum deposits, leverage up to 1 to 500, and 24/7 client support. Their platforms are designed to offer flexibility and efficiency to traders around the world. BlackBull Markets offers three primary account types: the ECN Standard Account, the Prime Account, as well as their Institutional Account, each tailored to accommodate different trading styles and experience levels. All account types grant access to their full range of trading platforms, as well as a comprehensive suite of trading instruments. Islamic swap-free account options are also available for standard and prime accounts, catering to clients who require Sharia-compliant trading conditions. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Their education hub features structured learning paths, guides which provide a concise overview of trading fundamentals, including asset classes, trading platforms, and essential terminology. Additionally, BlackBull Markets provides practical tools like economic calendars and trading calculators to aid in market analysis. To facilitate hands-on learning, BlackBull Markets offers demo accounts, allowing traders to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools necessary for informed decision-making in the financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.